to our grandma's vlog. Hope you like the video. Enjoy.
I received my plants again this week from Alex, and I'm gonna do unboxing today. Here's my package. I think I have about 20. Okay, I think I ordered sempervivums. I think I have 20 or 21 again. Sempervivums. That I bought from Alex, and it arrived today. And all of these, I don't know when I'll be able to pot them, but I have a project. I have something in mind to do with this one. You like my animal? My succulent arrangement, and this one is struggling. I talked to the grower, and I think it's just natural for the leaf to fall off late summer. I don't know what kind of plant is this. And here's some of my arrangement. I like to arrange them like this, like up. This is really nice. And this one, I think I need to repot this one because these are really sinking. I like them up like that because I like them to be seen from far, you know. I don't want them to have to come close to them to look at it, and so I might have to repot. These are beautiful succulents. I'm not sure what they are, and I don't care what the names are. As long as they are beautiful, that's all I care.
Okay. If you like the video of my grandma, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. Goodbye.